one of the things that we do and people ask us to do are insight events.
They do.
Where we either go to an organisation and give an insight into a particular topic of their choosing, or we run events, we host events, and we bring people together who perhaps don't know each other, from different industries possibly, to spend some time looking at a typical topic or a particular topic in society.
Yeah, we do. And the ones we've run have been really successful because not only does it generate discussions, but it connects people who would otherwise never have met. And it also gives them invaluable information on areas that they were unfamiliar with. So I would say that it's something we really enjoy doing. We have lots of different venues that we use, and the audience always surprise us with questions that they have for our guests or for ourselves.
And where we do these events, usually in person when we can, but occasionally they're virtual, but they do happen anywhere in the world. So we are asked to give an insight. And I guess the sorts of topics that people like to hear from us on are, they ask us those questions. For example, how do you run a business together? But people are interested and we give them an insight.
Bearing in mind it happened completely organically.
Yeah. But, that's what people want to know.
Yeah.
They want to know, what is it like working with another so closely on achieving the goals of your business?
Yes.
We say that we were fortunate enough not to need any funding, any capital from an outside body in order to set ourselves up. But we realise that's not always the case for all people.
Yes. Yeah.
But that's right. So people want to hear about our business and how we run. They also want to hear about our ethics.
Yes.
What do we believe in? You've just talked about, things happen organically. That might not be quite an ethic, but it does talk about trust.
Yeah.
And belief in what we're trying to do, because it's for the good.
It is. It is. Yeah. The heart of what we do is really about helping to improve, helping others, bringing out the best in others, and also helping people to be unafraid to be authentically themselves as well, which why it generates so much interest. Everyone's always asking, when is your next event? Because we want to come and we want to bring 10 people with us. So it has evolved really on its own. But you're right. It's people are really interested in knowing how others work and what other people's strengths are. And connecting with each other in ways that they would never have done in the past.
Yeah. And we talk about kind of intelligence and data.
Yeah.
And I think that's also what organisations like. They like to hear our take on data that may not be our own data, but data that we've read, delved into, we've read about. We just give a view, which is a starting point for discussion.
Yeah.